everyone. Happy Sunday. Thanks for tuning in. Today I am going back and doing a Dutch pour. I wanted to do something with the reference of flames, fire. So I'm using a black base and I'm going to use a orange, yellow, red, and a white to kind of create some flame type petals. So I think that color choice on this size canvas is going to be pretty cool looking. Also, right after this intro, I am going to show you really quickly a few pieces of art that is for sale. It's going to be up on the website, but you can either purchase it from the website or you can just email me directly. But I need these pieces to go, so they are going to go at a very good price. So if you're interested in the pieces, by all means, send me a message. We can negotiate a price. I need to get them out of here because I got too many paintings being stored up, sitting in my living room, sitting in my office, sitting in my studio. They got to go. All right, everyone. So yeah, so if you're interested in them, let me know. All right, guys, do apologize for the glare, but I want to show you these pieces that are for sale. This is a Galaxy pour, and it is on a 24 by 24. This next piece is a Chaos Ribbon Swipe Transfer. Wish there wasn't so much glare. It's because I got the gloss varnish on it, so that it's bouncing off the lights. I apologize. That's on a 15 by 30. This here is a straight pour on a 20 by 20. This is a 24 by 30. This was a Wandering Ring Pour Transfer. This here was one of my open cup pours, which was a disrupted open cup pour, which was on a 16 by 20. This bad boy right here is a bloom that I did in Karen's studio when I went to go visit her. That's on a 16 by 20 as well. This bad boy is a 18 by 24. This is a bloom transfer using the Artist Loft Soft Body White. You can see how it's celled up. And then this last one is a 14 by 18, the exact same colors, but instead of using Soft Body White, I used Amsterdam White. All right, let's get down on the canvas and get started. I'll be right back. All right, everyone. So what I've got today is a 15 by 30 deep edge gallery wrap canvas. I am doing, it's been a hot minute since I played with my blow dryer doing a Dutch pour. So I thought I would go back to doing one today, challenge myself. Let's see here, last Earth Day, I did a green and blue and white piece. Looked like I called it Ivy. It had a white base. And I layered the colors along the bottom and up the sides and just kind of blew it into the center and leaving that negative space over here. But I'm going to do black today. I'm going to use flame light colors. So I'm going to be using Pyrolle Red, Azo Orange, Azo Yellow Lemon, or Lemon Yellow, I forget which one it is, and some titanium white from Amsterdam. And I've spilt this little 5-ounce cup 3 times. I cannot believe how clumsy I am today. I've cleaned up this paint off of the plastic 3 times. So I just don't know what I'm doing. So let's get started. I'm going to put out my black, blow it out, and then we will go from there. It's been such a hot minute since I've played with these thin paints too. Kind of gonna go here. Orange. some white through here. All right, let's blow this out. Wow, I love this. Really cool. Gonna get some cells coming through here, great coloring. It didn't get much white. The white is very faint, but it's in there. I like what's happening around there. Really, really cool. All right, I'm gonna make sure all the edges are cleaned up here. I gotta pop the bubbles because I see air bubbles for sure. Loving the negative space. I love how it's got kind of a black negative space in here in the center. I like the blowouts. The blowouts are just kind of rigid. They're not like full petals. Really cool. It's really, really selling up, which is great reaction. Perfect. I am in love. All right, I'm gonna clean up the edges and then I'm gonna bring you guys in. All right, everyone, here is the wet result. I am in love. I like the blowout. I love the shape. Great colors. And yeah, so much fun. I do kind of miss doing Dutch pours. Let's look at this. All right, let's see how this dries. I'll be back. All right, everyone, here is the dried result. I'm really, really happy with this piece. It's a little dark, so once I get the gloss varnish on it, that's gonna brighten things back up. But I love the detail and the fan out. Okay, you guys, that's it. So that is the piece. So it is definitely going to get gloss varnish. That's going to make everything shine again. It's very, very deep and dark. So when you get this black negative space, it almost looks a little funky. It's almost like too much black. But once the colors become shiny again, then it will stand out and it'll look good. Right now, dull, it just looks a little streaky and a little funny looking. So again, once I get that all glossed up there, I'll get that over on the website. So again, don't forget, if you are interested in those pieces that I showed you at the beginning of the video, by all means, send me a message. We can work out a good deal. All right. Thanks everyone for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.